Now, how you can make your first $500 with TikTok as your traffic source, right, where you're getting your audience, and with affiliate marketing, promoting affiliate offers. Okay, so let's go straight into it. As you can see over here, those are the results, but let me show how this can be done. Okay, as you can see over here, let me click again on the last 7 days. You see over here, right? Had 700,000. Now remember, this is free traffic. This is organic. No money spent on advertisement. Okay, 700,000 views, as you can see, right? 128% increase, 3,000 13K profile views, almost 100K or 92K likes, comments. You can see this is really great engagement. And now just imagine that you are promoting weight loss supplement on ClickBank, for example, which is paying on average, let's say $60 to $100. So let's say you earn $100 per sale. So in this case, how many sales would you need per day to make $500 per day? It means only 5 sales. Now let me ask you, do you think, now in my case, I was getting very low commission, low ticket offer from $7 to $35. Okay, so not $100. And still, you can see these results before, but you can see over here in just last 7 days. Imagine if I promoted a product that's paying $100 per sale, right, or even more. Now, low ticket offers are great. Why? Because people are used to instant purchase. Okay, they don't think too much. It's not high ticket, so that's why it's really good. Now, if you look over here in the last 28 days or 1 month, 1.3 million video views. Okay, now you can see the increase over here, 15,000 comments. Now this is why TikTok traffic, it's really great for you. And second of all, there is no compliance at all, almost none, compared to Facebook, compared to YouTube, compared to Google. All right, you cannot make health claims, for example, about diabetes. You cannot do before and after images over there on Google because of strong compliance. But over here, it's still Wild West. It's like Facebook in 2010, 2011, for example, right? So it's all the beginning stages. That's why it's very important, my friend, as you watch this video, to take the opportunity to take the leverage, okay, and have an advantage for yourself to start generating really great profits. Because as you know, people are always looking into their profile and scrolling to buy something online. So e-commerce is really high. Now later on, you can reach out to me over here on my Instagram, right? So if you have any questions regards to affiliate marketing, TikTok affiliate marketing, promoting ClickBank products, or MaxWeb or any other affiliate network out there, let me know. Okay, you can reach out to me. I will personally make sure to help you. Now let's go straight over here. So let me show you here how this is done. Okay, let's do the math. For example, over here, right? Let's say that the whole funnel, let's do this, $100. So let's say you want to make $100 per month sale. You usually have, for example, over here, the front end products for $37. And then what is all to one? All to one is mean upsell. So upsell for $67, or a product bundle, like you will have weight loss supplement on ClickBank. One bottle is $69. If you buy 6 bottles, it's $270, but you have some discount, right? So you have 3 different options. And that's how, my friend, you can make a lot of money, because lots of people are afraid to spend some money on the ads on the beginning because they don't know the math of the whole funnel, how it works with affiliate marketing, right? Because you're not creating your own products. You don't have to show your face. Okay. So let's say you spend, in this case, let's say you spend for on the ads, let's say you spend $35, or let's say $30, okay? And you made back over here $100. So it means it's one day you made how much? You made 70 USD profit from spending $30. Now, if of course, if you are promoting other products, or if you have more audience, more traffic, of course, you can make per day, let's say, is it possible to make, of course, once you start generating results, to make $350 or $700 or $1,000 in one day? Of course, it's possible, right? And the best thing is you don't have to show your face, okay? It's a faceless channel. Now, as you can see over here, how with affiliate marketing works is you need to have the right message to the market match, because we have low emotional states and high emotional states audiences, right? So what do I mean by that? It means, like, as you can see over here, right? In the low emotional states, there are people who are hopeless, for example, they're overweight, they don't want to exercise, but they will gladly take one pure weight loss supplement to lose weight. Okay, it is what it is. You can take advantage of that and promote a high quality product to your prospects online. And so, of course, look, this is prospect, they're in pain. We have to put them into the problem state, and then they buy the product at the end. And the best thing is you can do a quiz funnel like you have done for you. We have done for you quiz funnels. We have landing pages on ClickFunnels where you can go and promote the offer today and tomorrow start generating results. Okay. And of course, if you have 20 minutes to 40 minutes a day, this can be a perfect opportunity for you to make some extra money or to make some serious full-time income online. All right. So remember, it's about problem state and pre-selling. So we're not selling, we are pre-selling. Okay, we are saying the pain, the problem, and then we offer them a high quality solution to the pains and problems. This is all we do. Okay. And the best thing is, as I mentioned before, if you remember, there is zero compliance on TikTok, almost zero compliance. So it means that you can go there as soon as today, have a quiz funnel, which can be functionally done for you. Okay, where we put person in the problem state, get out to the aha moment, and then they go and buy the product. So as you watch this video, what you can do next is you can subscribe to my YouTube channel, you can leave a comment, or you can contact me on my WhatsApp, on my Facebook, on my Instagram, or just email me. Okay, so all the links are below in description below, where you can reach out to me under this video. You can watch other video as well, other videos on my YouTube channel as well. But if you're really serious, if you really want to get results, if you have at least 3 to 4 hours per week, this is something for you where you can make. I'm not saying about millions of dollars like other gurus online. No, I'm saying consistent, sustainable, stress-free income of 300 to 700 US dollars per day as an affiliate without ever showing your face. Okay, so remember, TikTok is new Amazon in 2024. You don't have to take my word for it. You don't have to believe me at all. Just go and Google it by yourself, and you will see the increase in e-commerce right now that is happening. The train will be gone, same like with Bitcoin, right? When it was at $1, even at $500. All right. So don't miss out on this opportunity with TikTok affiliate marketing. Okay. Let me know if you have any questions, and see you on the other side.